Tonight's transmission concerns something strange. Most people believe they make their own choices, the music they listen to, the videos they watch, the people they follow, the products they buy, the opinions they develop, the places they visit, the things they desire. We naturally believe that every decision belongs entirely to us because the alternative feels uncomfortable. The idea that something invisible might be influencing our thoughts feels disturbing. Most people imagine control as something obvious, something dramatic, someone giving orders, someone forcing decisions, someone standing directly in front of you. But what if modern control no longer works that way? What if nobody needs to control you directly? What if all they have to do is gently guide you? Every day you interact with invisible systems. You open YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Netflix, Spotify, Google, and every day you believe you are choosing what you want to see. You believe you are exploring, searching, discovering. But in reality, something else may be discovering you because these systems are not random. They are designed to observe, to learn, to adapt, and eventually to predict. Every click becomes information. Every scroll becomes information. Every pause, every second of hesitation, every video you replay, every image you stop to look at, every piece of content you ignore. You may think these things are meaningless, tiny actions, tiny moments. But algorithms notice everything. They notice patterns that human beings would never see. Patterns hidden inside thousands of small decisions. And human beings are creatures of patterns. We repeat behaviors, we repeat emotions, we repeat routines, we repeat desires. Because despite believing we are unpredictable, we often are not. Your phone already knows more than most people realize. It may know when you wake up, when you go to sleep, when you are active, when you become bored, when your attention begins to fade, when you are more likely to buy something, when you are emotionally vulnerable, when you feel lonely, when you are searching for distraction, and maybe something even stranger. Maybe it knows what you are about to do before you do. Not because it can read minds, but because prediction becomes easier when enough data exists. Imagine two people opening the same application at exactly the same moment. Same country, same language, same age, but they enter completely different worlds. One sees fear, one sees politics, one sees conflict, one sees luxury, one sees entertainment, one sees anger, one sees endless distractions. Slowly, their realities begin separating, without them noticing, without any warning, without any announcement. Years ago, people experienced something closer to a shared reality. Information moved slower. News reached people in similar ways. Millions of people could watch the same events unfold together. Today, something has changed. Your internet is not my internet. My internet is not yours. Everyone now lives inside a personalized digital environment, a reality built specifically for them. Invisible systems quietly constructing an experience around every individual user. And here is where things become unsettling. Algorithms do not necessarily care about truth. They do not care about wisdom. They do not care about balance. Most of the time, they care about attention, because attention keeps people watching. Attention keeps people scrolling. Attention keeps people clicking, and attention creates profit. If fear keeps you engaged, you may receive more fear. If outrage keeps you watching, you may receive more outrage. If conflict captures your attention, you may slowly receive more conflict. Not because somebody hates you, Not because somebody is secretly trying to destroy you, but because the system learned something simple. It discovered what keeps you there, and over time something strange begins to happen. You stop choosing content. Content begins choosing you. Recommendations become habits. Habits become preferences. Preferences become beliefs. Beliefs become identity. And identity begins shaping reality itself. The process is almost invisible. No commands, no alarms, no warnings, just thousands of tiny decisions quietly happening in the background. Maybe your choices are still your own. Maybe they always will be, but maybe they are being gently pushed. One recommendation at a time, one notification at a time, one click at a time. Because in the modern world, control does not always look like control. Sometimes it looks like convenience. Transmission complete. Static observer signing off.